All right, so the story in the boxes are
Correct.
I met this lady. Her name is Celeste King, and she lives in Ohio. And she shopped with me for quite some time. However, we have become friends, and through our friendship, Jaden's also become friends too. Of Clark. She has a little boy named Clark. Hi, Clark. I know you're watching. And how did it start? I guess Clark. They sent us a video of Clark unboxing one of our packages.
Yeah,
we sent
the
them.
first day.
So now Jaden and Clark kind of send videos to each other on a weekly basis through my messenger. Obviously, my son doesn't know how to control all that, so that goes through a messenger. So he has become good buddies with Clark, and we got these two huge packages. We knew they were coming, but we have no idea what's in them, and we had explicit instructions to open up box one first and to read the card. So this is the card. It has all these cool stickers on it.
Wow.
It's almost like Lego, like Taco Tuesday Lego.
Like taco every day.
Oh, it's so cute.
Ooh.
What's twice as sweet as an Easter treat? Oh, wow. She's got a huge card in here. All right. Liz and family. It's very hard to put into words what joy and gratification that you all bring to me, Clark, and Dan each and every day with your awesome, hilarious, amazing, inspiring, brave, and magical vlogs, whether Disney related or not. Your kindness personality is awe-inspiring to watch and listen to. Such a hard worker with wonderful values. You and Jaden's videos bring tears to my eyes because Clark can't stop smiling. His favorite mail is Liz mail with Liz tags on them. LOL. I'm so grateful and blessed to have your friendship, even from Ohio to Florida. And I know Clark's life has forever changed because Jaden and you welcomed us into your life, vlog, life, or other. Hope to meet you one day in the near future. We will. We're going to have to get our boys together. It might be epic. LOL. Stay true to yourself, love one another, and be kind. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts. P.S. Each gift has a special tag. Enjoy. Happy Easter 2019. You all are truly amazing. Love the King family. Dan, Celeste, and Clark. Oh, it says why of you, of course, was the thing. Very cute. All right, here we go. What does the first tag say? Wait, that's so cool. Wait, Jaden, one at a time.
It says, for Joshua, I heard you like Marvel with the smiley face.
It's so
Handmade by
nice.
Alice and Celeste.
He's going to love that. Oh, that's so nice. It's so soft. All right, and this one says, Jaden, Clark hasn't seen the movie yet, but he knows you love Marvel. Oh, wait. And he loves figurines. Oh, there's so much. Oh my goodness, there's so much stuff in here. Oh my gosh. What's that on my floor? Over there.
Mom.
What?
It says, heard that Joy likes Eiffel Tower / friends, exclamation point. Handmade by my mom and
Handmade.
Alice.
Oh my gosh, there's so much.
Clark's grandma. Her first try at these ears. I love the pattern and love Celeste.
Oh my gosh. Wait, one thing at a time. One thing at a time. This is like Christmas. Holy cow, you guys. Oh my gosh. Is this one yours, Jaden?
Yeah.
Jaden, oh my, look at all that. Oh my gosh.
Look.
I'm bad. I'm so excited. They're so cute.
Picture.
Oh, yes. We can put it on the fridge now.
I want this one.
Let me see. Oh, because of the Eiffel Tower. That's, oh my God. You know what we could wear this to?
Paris. When we go to Disney in Paris.
Or Mickey's Runaway Train that opens up at Hollywood Studios. Oh, open it up. Let me see it. Boy, you could have used that last week. We were trying to find him a shirt for that. Oh my gosh, it says you are awesome. It has Emmett on it. Oh my gosh, we'll have to wear that to Legoland.
Oh, that's what it said. This was for Legoland Movie Media Event. Sorry, it's late. LOL from Clark.
It's too late now.
Oh God. But we're going back to Legoland, so you can wear it when we go back. Oh, and that's for Galaxy's Edge, Jaden. You'll have a special shirt. Oh my gosh.
Galaxy Edge / nighttime. Love Clark.
Oh, you said nighttime? Jaden, is that shirt glow in the dark?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. What? What is that? Oh, it says Jaden. I hope. Let me see. I hope you add this to your collection of Tsum Tsums. Mom and I have over 100 Tsum Tsum figures in our collection.
Oh my gosh.
I love Hulk. So Clark loves Hulk. Whoa! Oh my goodness, there's so much. Oh, I gotta come. Oh my gosh, I need to come on this side because I don't want to hold the camera anymore. Oh, my favorite. I have it. Is it for you?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine.
You have it. That means we're twinning again.
It's okay.
For joy.
For me.
Celeste.
Oh, whose name is on that?
Wait,
Whose name is that?
wait,
Whose name is
wait,
that? We're gonna fight.
Wait. No, we're not gonna fight. Cause
Is there a name on it?
Jan, was this over? Yeah, I think so.
Whose name is on that? Slow down,
There's
slow
no name,
down.
there's no name.
It's mine then.
No.
Wait, let me see what you got. Let me see. Let me see what books.
Oh, this is
Jaden,
for
this
you?
is just for fun. I love outer space and planets. Love Clark.
See, I pictured this.
And then
Was
this.
on this.
Let me see.
So therefore, this is mine. And that means I get to sleep in it tonight. I mean, not in it. On it.
Ooh, Pete the Cat and the Missing Cupcakes. Pete the Cat books are Clark's favorite, Jaden. Hope you enjoy. Happy reading. Love, Clark. Oh, Jaden likes books. Who's that for?
Me?
Are you sure?
Yeah. It says it on the bag.
Did it really?
Yeah.
That's so cute. I'm gonna have to steal it. Whoa, oh, I'm trying to get his
Yeah, you
reaction.
can steal this one and I can steal your other one.
Oh my gosh,
I'm gonna do this
Jaden.
tomorrow.
What in the world? Okay, so let's show him a picture of Clark. This is Claire's buddy Clark. Oh, it's a magnet. So we're going to put, and this is, he got surprised and went to the Lego Discovery Center. We're going to put this right on our fridge. Oh my goodness, he made that for
It's
you.
in the bag.
You're going to have to make him stuff.
Says thank you for joining the resistance. Hope you had a galactic experience, Clark.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's a.
Oh, it's a little pen, Jaden. Jaden, you're going to have to color him some pictures and make him some stuff now. Look at that. Look, it's a pen. You can put it on your book bag. Oh, Toy Story. What does it say? Happy Valentine's Day. Oops.
They already passed Valentine's.
I think they've been making these boxes for a while, Jaden. They put a lot of hard work into this. Oh, that's so cool. Oh my gosh, look, you got an Emmett.
Oh, that's
Oh
cute.
my gosh, Jaden.
I'm gonna have to steal one of those.
Yep, I might have to steal one too, Jaden. I'm kidding.
Cause you don't have keys to put them on.
Okay, Emmett. Oh, Mickey hands. These are magnets. They made them, Jaden.
You should put the one on the back of your car.
Oh my god, no, it would get ruined.
No.
And then someone would probably steal it.
Thanks. Oh my gosh, this is so cute.
Let me see what it is, Jaden. Legoland. What is this? What is exactly?
I don't
Maps.
know.
It's a pop badge.
Is this Dumbo?
It's like a badge.
It's Dumbo.
Legoland. Dumbo's. Let me see. Bring it over here.
Jiminy Cricket is Buzz Lightyear.
Let me see. Put in the camera. I can't see her. She's jiggling it around. Keep it steady. Let's see. Wishes can come true, and you can put over. What? Here. Oh, the Defender. That's you. You guys really put a lot of thought and effort, and we're not even done with this. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I had to switch the camera around because I want to open my stuff, and obviously I can't open it and hold it at the same time. So Jaden's playing with his toys. We still have another box to go through. So this is Liz, a little birdie, told me that you love vanilla scents. I do love vanilla. And let's see if I can open this up.
Bubble wrapper is my favorite.
Oh no, I don't know if it's my favorite. Man, you sent so much stuff. I'm in like, can't believe all this stuff. I can't believe you made this. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna sleep on it.
No, you're not.
Okay.
Yay, for me.
I do love vanilla. I probably will. Ooh. Cinnamon spice vanilla made with essential oils from the White Barn scented candle, which we know is Bath and Body Works, and I just got hungry for some coffee cake. I love this. Thank you, Celeste. I don't know if I should thank you for the bubble wrap, though. Oh my gosh.
The people below us
whole
are probably
bag
freaking out.
full of stuff. Oh my gosh. We are gonna be twinsies. We're gonna be twinsies.
See, now you don't have to steal it from me.
Woo! That is so cute. I love it. Oh, and another shirt. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I love this. This is adorable. This is like totally something I would wear. It has like sparkles, believe, trust, yourself, sparkle. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. I feel like this is Christmas. Oh, look. The dog wants to join in the fun. Oh, he's scared of the...
Hey,
He's scared of the he's scared of the bubble wrap. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, they're so cute. Okay, so here's Clark, his buddy. Clark, I know you're watching. And Clark with Captain America. And then here's Celeste with Clark. And if I remember correctly, I think this is one of the shirts that we shopped for, that she ordered and I got for her. And then another one of Clark and his mommy. And this is when they went to go see Dumbo. So cute. And then, the whole family. And I know her husband Dan doesn't really like to get on camera too much, so I hope you don't get too mad at me for showing you a picture. She put it in here. And you know me, I always do unboxing videos, so it's not my fault. Oh my God. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay. So, I love this because it has the little small world in here. It's so pretty.
Sorry.
It's 2019 Minnie Mouse pin. It is so cute. I really love this. And, you know what? Don't be mad. I still have not seen this movie. I've got to see it. I don't know how I missed seeing Wonder Woman. I don't know how I missed it.
Everybody saw Wonder
I saw Captain Marvel. Captain Marvel was so good. And this button right here, I absolutely love. Follow your dreams, they know the way. And it has Dumbo on it, and it's so cute. Dumbo has the cutest quotes. Dumbo and Winnie the Pooh. Winnie the Pooh, they always have like super cute quotes. And then she got me like a little, boy, I can never have enough of these hand sanitizers, especially for the parks, when you go in the parks. And then we also have, this is great for the park. When you're sweaty, you can smell like vanilla sweat.
What?
Alright, so that's it for box 1. I cannot even believe there's a second box. I mean, like, just one of these items would have been more than enough. Like, you weren't kidding. And by the way, guys, I have this, only I could do something like this.
Scarface.
Huh?
Okay.
She called me Scarface. Yeah, I was packaging up y'all's orders yesterday, and there was a stack of boxes, and I dropped something, and boom, I hit the box right in my face. And but you know what? Even though I have this right here, I am so thankful that it hit here, because if it would have hit my eye, it might have knocked my eye out. It hit me that I almost knocked myself out on this box. Only something I could do, seriously. Here you go. That's yours. All right. So I gotta stop the video to rearrange the camera. So we gotta do box 2. All right, hold on. Get over here. Get over here so they can see you. Get behind me. So box 2. Get behind me. Get behind me. No. Get behind me. Get behind me. He saw a peek of it.
Scoot over more.
This was handmade by Celeste and Clark. Oh! Let's see.
Hey, wait! I want that. You can have a pillow now. Wait,
Wait a minute. She saw what else is in the box. Go to sleep. So listen, for some of you guys that don't know, Oswald, Steamboat Willie, and Sorcerer Mickey are his favorite. Do you love it?
Wait,
Your own special pillow. It's so nice.
Don't touch my pillow.
You touched my drink.
Okay. Next up.
Wait,
this
no.
one says for Liz.
No, that's not fair.
It says for Liz.
That's not
You
fair.
took the
No,
pillow.
that's not fair.
You took the pillow.
You can have a pillow. Mom, wait, read what it says.
It says handmade by... Oh, that's a pillow. I got the big pillow. Hey, wait a minute. Gentle. We can have a pillow fight. So this is a big pillow. It's so soft. I'm gonna use it tonight. And this was made by Alice and Celeste. So Alice is Clark's grandma.
What?
Yeah.
Okay, next one.
All right, last but not
Wait, let
least.
me grab it. I want to grab it.
This is it says Joy.
Where?
I don't know.
What does it say? The at. What does it
It
say?
says Joy right here. Hold on, let me read it. Hold on.
I want to read it.
It says Joy, I heard that you love Stitch. So do I. Hope you can display this and smile. You are beautiful. Love, Celeste and Clark.
I know exactly where I'm going to put this here. In my room.
What did you say?
I know exactly where I'm going to put
You
this.
know exactly where you're going to put it. I can't hear it. The bubbles. Bubbles, 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 bubbles. All right, so what do you say, guys?
Thank you.
Thank you so much. All this handmade stuff and special stuff and pins and all kinds of Lego shirts
And more.
and bubbles. Say thank you, Clark.
Thank you.
Uh-oh, careful. Thank you guys so much. This is definitely going to be the end of the mail vlog because it's been a long mail vlog. Appreciate you guys so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And remember, every day is a gift, so have faith and share the joy.